Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm doing 4K samples on the Pixel 7a. I've been having this phone about a little bit over 24 hours. Y'all probably will watch this video before I even do like a quick unboxing and first impression video. I wanted to come out and test out the cameras on this phone. This is in 4K at 60. What y'all think about it? Look at my pond. It is filling up a little bit. Now, this still should be underwater, but it has rain. Look, the ground is all wet too. But it has rain. Last night it was raining really good. So it did fill up the pond a little bit. Even the last couple of days it has been raining. Now with the Pixel 7a, I've been using it and it's pretty good. Not bad at all. The cameras are what I want to test out on this phone. So I'm gonna do a little 4K test out for y'all. I'm gonna try to walk. If y'all see the phone flying, just know that I slipped. Because like I said, it is muddy out here. Look, it is definitely muddy. I'm gonna come back and do 4K at 30, and then also the front facing 4K footage. That is 5 times zoom. Go back out. I think someone's in a truck behind me. But stay tuned, I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30. And to them, peace. Okay everyone, so this is 4K at 30 frames per second on the Pixel 7a. Now Pixel's known for their cameras, especially on still photos. The video has been getting better and better with each different phone. I do enjoy that they can do 4K on the front cameras on this phone, and then also 4K at 60. So for a price of $499, that's a good thing to have. We'll talk about price. We'll talk about is it worth upgrading in upcoming videos. In this video, I just want to give y'all some samples of the 4K. Could you use this as your camera shooting, videos for YouTube or vlogging, walking around a park or something? And the answer is yes. Because look, at zoom, you can zoom in. And then I can also do ultra wide. Shout out to the ultra wide. Shout out to Android Stud. He loves his ultra wide. And I have to get the tree bark in there too for Mr. Phone Tech at Work. Shout out to Team 100, y'all. If y'all don't know what Team 100 is, it is the OG group of, we used to stream every night, Friday night at like 9 o'clock Eastern time. Just a bunch of guys hanging out talking about phones. BG Tech Life, the Tech Gentleman, Rob Pouncey, RP3 Tech Reviews, myself, Android Stud, and Phone Tech at Work. Go check out the channels. Most of y'all who's watching this video will know them anyway. If you don't know them, go check out the channels, because you think, my videos are par to what they do on a daily basis. So go check them out. But what y'all think? Everything looks good by what I'm seeing. How's stabilization? I'm just walking, holding the phone. Now you can tell the pond is up more because I used to be able to walk out there some too. But you can't. Hopefully we keep on getting some more rain because we still need it. I think we're still in a drought, so send more rain this way to Texas. But I'm gonna come back with the front facing camera because you can do 4K at 30, and we can test out what you can do with the front facing camera on the Pixel 7a. But until then, peace. I'll be right back. All right, so let's wrap up this video. This is 4K at 30 frames per second on the Pixel 7a. Yes, you can do 4K at 30 frames. And 4K at 30 is good. Do you wish you could do 4K at 60? Yeah, but at least you have 4K on a $499 phone. we will get into more videos. I know a lot of people have been asking about the Pixel 7 compared to the 7a. And the 7a looks a lot like my Pixel 7 too, which my daughter actually took for her Taylor Swift concert and hasn't returned it yet because she wanted to take better photos. And she has an iPhone 14 Pro Max. So yeah, she said the video and the photos came out actually pretty good too. Sorry, y'all, that was a bug flying around. It's getting muddy around here, look. No, I did not get baby girl stuck in there. I would not drop baby girl down there, but that doesn't look like fun. But how does that sound? How does everything look? Could you vlog with this camera? Look at the sky. I mean, the sky looks good in the back. The clouds don't look washed out. It's a cloudy day in Texas though, but you can see the formation of the clouds. I know in some videos you don't, but look, shout out to Michigan also. But what y'all think about it, y'all let me know. Let me know what other videos you want to see on the Pixel 7 out at 7a, and I will definitely try to make them. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Pixel 7a. Follow me on Twitter, become part of the BAM Nation, and have a great day, y'all. Peace.